20 pi over 3. When doing a problem like this, the first thing, now we don't have to do all 6 trigonometric functions. We just have to do one, right? So guys, you can easily, again, just find the angle. Right? So find the angle. Well, we know this is pi. So if we start here, it's positive. So this is pi. I look at my denominator, and I rewrite it as 3 pi over 3. So now I know if halfway around is 3 pi over 3. So let's go over this. So we'll start the angle. 3 pi over 3, 6 pi over 3, 9 pi over 3, 12 pi over 3, 15 pi over 3, 18 pi over 3, right? And then if we broke this up into thirds, 19 pi over 3, 20 pi over 3. So do you guys see what I did? So I did that? And there you go. Now you just need to figure out what that angle is. But guys, you can do it that way. But what if I said 200 pi over 3? You're not going to want to graph that at all, do you? Right? You're not going to want to do that. Keep on going round and round. So what I like to do is, ladies and gentlemen, what we do is called finding the coterminal angle. What I want you to do is rewrite 20 pi over 3 in terms of its coterminal angle, the smallest positive or negative coterminal angle. If I had 20 pi over 3, if I want to find the smallest coterminal angle, I'm not going to add 2 pi, right? I would want to subtract 2 pi. So what I'll do is I'm going to rewrite this as sine of 20 pi over 3. And then I can subtract 2 pi. Now, remember, guys, 2 pi is the same thing as 6 pi over 3, which is the same thing as, let's see here, 12 pi over 6. Hello? Yes? Huh? All right, you're just going to have to hold on a second. I'm going over a problem. So here I have sine of 20 pi divided by 3. Now, all of these equal 2 pi, right? 2 pi, 6 pi over 3, 12 pi over 6. You divide those numbers, you're still going to get pi, right? So if I'm going to be subtracting from 20 pi over 3, what would I want? Which of these versions of 2 pi would I want to use? Because really what you're going to do is subtract 2 pi. But remember, to subtract a fraction times a whole number, you've got to have the denominator of 3. So really, I want to subtract 6 pi over 3. So I subtract 6 pi over 3. But can I subtract 6 pi over 3 again and get still a positive coterminal angle? Yeah. Can I do it again? Yeah. So what I did is I kept on subtracting. And let's go and take a look at this. If you subtract them, so now minus 6 pi over 3, now I'm at 14 pi over 3. Subtract it again. Now I'm at 8 pi over 3. Subtract it again. Now I'm at 2 pi over 3. So what I want you guys to understand is the coterminal angle, by subtracting 6 pi, 6 pi, 6 pi over 3, I'm just left with this angle, which is 2 pi over 3. So yes, guys, if you feel good graphing it, that's fine. But if you also just want to use coterminal angles to find the smallest positive or negative, you can just evaluate for 2 pi over 3. And what's nice about 2 pi over 3 is we know that's a direct reflection of pi over 3. And then we just need to know what this point is. Well, this point is 1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. So the y-coordinate of sine of, the sine of 2 pi over 3 is going to be square root of 3 over 2. And that's where I got that point. All right? So if you want to draw the graphs all the time, you guys can go and do that. Or you can just go ahead and find coterminal angles.